What do I mean? Guys, pakinggan nyo to. Sino po sa inyo dito, nung kumikita kayo ng minimum 15 to 20,000, tapos sinasabi nyo, sana, umabot ang punto sa buhay ko na kumikita ko ng 25,000 pesos a month. Then, all of a sudden, nagtipag ka, di ba, kahit fail ka, then you made the 25,000 pesos. Nung tinamaan mo yung 25,000, anong sinabi mo sa sarili mo? Posible o imposible? Posible. Talk to me. Babalik ka ng 15,000 o angat ka na sa 50,000? 50. Nung tinamaan mo yung 50,000, yung first 50,000 pesos mo, anong sinabi sa rin? Posible o imposible? Posible. Anong sinabi sa, ay, kaya ko pala. 100,000. Posible. Tumataas yung belief system mo, tumataas yung confidence level mo. Kaya namaan ni Manny Pacquiao ang first 200,000, tumaas na yung belief system niya. Kaya ko pala kumita ng ganito in one deal. Kaya nga sumunod. Nagigets nyo? Kaya mo ang kagandahan dito, no? Once na ikaw ay natuto, you will make already smart financial decisions. And then yun naman talaga ang nangyari kay Manny Pacquiao ngayon. Sa totoo lang ha, ito lang. Sa palagay nyo, sa level ngayon ni Manny Pacquiao, is he making already good financial decisions? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sa palagay nyo. As a matter of fact, pagbili pa lang yan ng bahay niya sa Midasma, basta somewhere in Makati, that's one of the best financial decisions he made. Even though, pero right now, ang value ng bahay na yun is worth billions. Gumagaling ka talaga eh. Kaya nga guys, let me encourage you. Let us look at failure. Let us look at limiting beliefs. Wala yan. Failure, I'll get better. I'll get stronger. I'll become wiser. Financial stress, wala yan. Pag natuto ako, mawawala yan. Kailangan on the positive aspect lang. And third, let's talk about limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs. Marami tayong limiting beliefs. Pero ang goal natin, ladies and gentlemen, is for us to break free. Everybody say break free. Alam mo, ito lang ha. Kung hindi nagbago ang financial mindset mo, sorry to tell you, and I want to be honest with you, kahit anong sipag mo, kahit anong tiyaga mo, hindi ka pa rin makakawala. The one that's really preventing you, honestly, from earning the money that you really deserve is not the opportunity. It's not what you're doing. It's the way you think. Sino sa inyo mag-agree sa sinasabi ko? Kasi kung yung mindset mo talaga, parang ganito yan eh. Kung yung capacity mo is only for thousands ang kinikita, kahit gusto mo na kumita ng millions, pero hindi ka pa rin kikita ng milyon. Naalala mo yung pinag-usapan natin right from the start? Logical and emotional. Pag may conflict of interest, uulitin ko Joanna, Gerardo, huwag niyo sayangin tong session na ito. Malaliban to. Kung naintindihan niyo kung ano talagang problema. Kung may conflict between logical and emotional, sinong mananalo ulit? Pakitype sa comment section. Sinong mananalo? Pakitype. Emotional. So guys, ang kailangan natin baguhin is not on the outside. Ang kailangan natin baguhin is what's happening in the inside. Now, let me explain again para mas ma-appreciate nyo to. Gusto nyo bang mas malalim pang usapan to? Gusto nyo mas malalim na usapan to para hindi masayang tong session natin na ito? And FYI, itong sinishare ko po sa inyo are the things that I've learned from a session which I paid, FYI, I paid 50,000 pesos to learn this. And I'm going to share this to you right now, guys, for free. There's what we call kasi two things. Oo, sandali lang ha. Yung aso, papatayin ko lang. Yung door. There's what we call as the conscious and the subconscious mind. Let me repeat. Conscious and subconscious. Pakitype. Conscious is the visible. Subconscious is the invisible. Subconscious is what you see. Subconscious is what you do not see. Now, let me ask you this question. Have you seen an iceberg? Napanood niyo na yung Titanic. Di ba may malaki siyang iceberg? Ang nagpalubog ng Titanic, hindi yung nakikita nilang iceberg. Because the tip of the iceberg is only 10%, but what you do not see is the 90%. Ang nagpalubog po sa kanila sa ilalim, hindi nila nakita. So, in reality, kung ano yung iniisip po natin ngayon, it's only 10%. Pero what's really happening is the 90%. No offense, men. 'Di ba? Ako naman, hindi naman sa sinasabi ko na huwag tayong maging positive. Pero let me tell you this. Kahit anong positive thinking mo, kahit anong declaration mo sa buhay, yayaman ako, yayaman ako, yayaman ako, yayaman ako, yan ang sinasabi mo araw-araw. Pero deep inside, your subconscious mind is telling mo, paano ka yayaman? Mahirap ka lang. Paano ka yayaman? Lubog ka sa utang. Paano ka yayaman? Wala naman naniniwala sa'yo. Paano ka yayaman? Ay wala ka namang pera at puhunan. Pag yan ang nare-repeat sa subconscious mind mo, alam mo mangyayari niyan? Walang mangyayari. So ito yung key. Huwag ko nang patagalin. Gusto niyo talaga magbago to, Jenny? Jerry? Yes or no? Ang kailangan baguhin natin is not the conscious. Ang kailangan natin baguhin is the subconscious mind. Kaya nga, I want to encourage you. Again, ulitin ko what you and I should change is not the outside. What you and I should change is from the inside. Because everything that happens on the outside is only a result of what's happening in the inside. If you do not like the output of your life, you do not change the output, you better change the input. Do I make sense? Kaya huwag mo nang pagurin ang sarili mo, kapatid. Huwag mo nang pagurin ang sarili mo. Kahit na magpalit ka ng career, magpalit ka ng trabaho, pag hindi nagpalit yung attitude mo, yung way of thinking mo, yung mindset mo, yung subconscious mo, no offense meant, pareho pa rin lumalabas. Final. To prove my point, ito na lang, final na lang to. Nagtatype ka sa computer, ladies and gentlemen, ng 1 million pesos. Gusto mo kasi mag-print ng 1 million pesos na figure from your computer. Nung nagtatype ka sa keyboard, okay, 1 million. Lumabas sa screen, 1 million. Nung nag-press ka na ng print, nung nag-print na sa printer, lumabas piso. Ulitin ko, nag-type ka ng 1 million. Nakita ba sa screen, 1 million? Nung lumabas sa printer, piso. Now, talk to me. Ano ang problema? Keyboard? Screen? Or printer? Sige nga, pakitype. Ano yung problema? Keyboard? Printer? Or yung screen? Ano yung mali? May nagsabing printer. Sino? Keyboard? May nagsasabi. Ikaw? Hindi. Tama naman yung ano mo type mo Kapatid, tama ang type mo. Tama yung keyboard lumabas, 1 million. Walang problema sa keyboard. Sa screen, maliwanag, 1 million din. Yung printer, sumusunod lang naman yan eh. Sumusunod lang naman yan kung ano yung na-type. Problema si Jen. Hindi. Tama si Mary Claire. Alam mo, tama. Ang may problema, yung computer. Yung system. Yung brain ng computer ang may problema. Ulitin ko, 1 million, nakasulat, di ba? Sa screen, nung print, lumabas piso. Ang RAM, ang memory ng computer sira. Hello? Naunawaan nyo, masipag ka, trabaho ka, ginagawa mo, kitang-kita mo, ay yayaman na ako. Pero anong resulta? Piso. Gawa ka ulit. Hanap ka ulit ng trabaho, kita, hanap ng negosyo. Ano nangyari? Lugi. Now, do you understand? The problem is not what you're doing. The problem is not the opportunity. The problem is your way of thinking. So si Mori nagtatanong na kung paano. Ja, Betty, Rohenyo, Annabel, wag ka mag-alala, sasagutin na natin yan. So right now, okay. So ano ang problema? Yung way of thinking po natin ang problema. How to reprogram? Later, I will discuss. Later. Chill lang kayo. Okay? So right now, I want us to evaluate. I want us to be honest. Sa fear of failure, bago natin isolve ang problema, on a scale of 1 is to 5, 1 is to 5, ikaw, 1 is the lowest, 5 is the highest. I want you to type in the screen, 1 lowest, 5 is the highest. How often do you think of failure, the fear of failure? Please type it in, 1 to 5. 1 is the lowest, 5 is the highest. So, marami po, nasa 5, 4, okay. Thank you for being honest. Number 2, limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs. So, from scale of 1 to 5 again, 1 to 5. Sino sa inyo may limiting beliefs? Na, yun nga, ang hirap, hindi ko kaya. Oo. 4, 3, 5. Thank you very much for also being honest. Number 3, financial stress. Financial stress. 1 is to 5. Ulit, 1 is to 5. Gaano kadalas ka nakaka-experience ng financial stress? 1's the lowest, 5 is the highest. Guys, ito lang Listen. Kung ang sagot nyo sa tatlong question na ito, nasa 3, 4, and 5 kayo. 3, 4, and 5. You need help. Pag ang sagot mo 1 and 2 lang, you're still okay. Pero pagka 3, 4, and 5, kailangan mong ng tulong. So my question to you is this. Do you want to conquer the fear of failure, eliminate limiting beliefs, and reduce financial stress in your life? Type yes in the comment section if you say yes. So para sa mga taong handa na, ito yung gagawin ko. Meron tayong, ito yung how to fix this. How to fix. Number 1, 3 things to ang gagawin ko. Huwag niyo muna i-present ang slide. Huwag niyo muna i-present ang slide, Eden. I want you to write this down. Chinky, how can I remove my subconscious? How can I change this? Okay, ito na yung solution. Sulat nyo. Past, present, and future. Pakitype lang. Past, present, and future. Yung mindset mo refers to your past. Yung action mo today refers to your present. And yung result mo refers to the future that you like. Again, ulitin ko bear with me kasi wala sa slide to. Grabe to. Grabe to. Are you learning so far? Are you learning? Ano ba? Nagkakaroon ba tayo ng awakening and realization dito? Sobrang powerful tong session na binibigay ko po sa inyo. Again, mindset, remember, action, and result. Naalala niyo yan? Naalala nyo? Mindset, action, and result. Mindset forms your past. Yung present is your action, and then result is the future. So this is how you solve this. Number one, you got to learn how to fix and heal your past. That's the first way. Yung past mo, yung tinatawag nating kung ano yung na-experience mo nung bata ka, kung ano yung narinig mo nung bata ka, kung ano yung na-witness nung bata ka, how you were raised when you were young directly affects the way you view life today. Do you agree? Di ba? Yung simple lang eh. Naalala mo nung bata tayo, parating sinasabi ng ating mga magulang, Jeline, Jerry, "Oy anak, mag-aral ka mabuti para paglaki mo, magtayo ka na magandang maghanap ka na magandang trabaho." Yan yung mindset natin, di ba? Pero paano kami, pinalaki kaming mga singkit, "Anak, ikaw aral mabuti, ikaw laki, tayo maganda, negosyo." Question. Sino po ang most posible na maghanap ng negosyo? Yung nasabihan na magtrabaho o yung nasabihan na magnegosyo? Pakitype. Yung nasabihan na magtrabaho o yung nasabihan na magnegosyo? Magnegosyo. Kasi yung araw-araw na sabi sa kanya eh. Tama o mali? Kaya guys, huwag kayong magtaka kung bakit walang nangyayari. Kasi kadalasan, ang naririnig po natin, mga negative nung bata tayo. Agree? Kaya nga, babalik ako, if you do not heal your past, you will be trapped forever. Do you agree? So ngayon, who among you wants to heal your past? Type me. Type me. If you want to heal your past, ito yon. I'm going to share with you, pero hindi kaya ngayon, in a 2 days. Everybody say 2 days. 2-day intensive training to. I'm going to share with you how to understand and overcome your psychological barriers that hold you back. Number 2, we're going to help you to identify your money wounds. Yung mga traumas that made an impact in your life. Whether we like it or not, FYI, guys, pag nakagat ka ng aso, nung bata ka, pag makakita ka ng aso ngayon, kahit gaano siya kaka-cute, mag-aalinlangan kang hawakan at ang unang tanong mo, nangangagat ba yan? May anti-rabies shot na ba yan? Agree or disagree? Because that was your financial trauma that happened to you in the past. Pag hindi nag-heal yan, hindi yan naayos, maniwala ka. Every time when you see a dog, ganun pa rin yan. Number 2, ganun din. Pag ikaw, nalugi ka, walang nagnenegosyo sa pamilya mo, pag ikaw hindi na-heal yan, alam mo mangyayari yan. Pag nakakita ka ng opportunity, kahit napakaganda ng opportunity, hahayaan mo lang yan. Kasi, again, in your subconscious mind is telling you, wala kang kadala-dala. Nalugi ka na, na-scam ka na, ayan ka na naman. Kahit na napakaganda ng opportunity niyan, you would let it pass. So you need to heal. In the session that I'm going to give in the 2 days, we're going to heal your money wounds. We're going to share with you strategies to overcome your past financial traumas. Sino sa inyong gustong ma-heal from them? From it, type me sa comment section, type me. It will happen in 2 days. Number 2, after you heal your past, that's your mindset. Number 2, present. Everybody say present. Right now, yung present, yung action mo. We're going to fix your present. Kailangan ma-fix talaga yung ginagawa mo ngayon. For things to change, you have to change. For things to get better, you have to be better. Agree? Dito naman, we're going to talk about yung identify yung current limiting beliefs. Ano ba yung mga wrong mindsets na nagtatrap sa iyo ngayon because of your past? So in this part naman, we're going to help you change your mindset. We're going to reprogram your thoughts to overcome what we call as money fears. Everybody say money fears. Marami tayong money fears. Kaya nga, ang kagandahan dito, tutulungan namin kayo na matanggal yung money fears. Pag natanggal mo yung money fears mo, just like yung sa aso, di ba? Ikaw naman, tignan mo to, ha? Pag ikaw maganda ang ano mo, maganda yung experience mo. Nung bata ka, di ba, ang dami yung aso, natutulog pa yung aso sa kwarto mo, sa kama mo. Ngayon, pag nakakita ka ng aso, di ba, hindi ka mag-aalinlangan na hawakan mo yung aso, ihag mo yung aso. Agree? Because yan yung perception mo. So that's the reason why napakadali sa mga tao na talagang kumita na, naka-experience na ng success, 'di ba? Napakadali sa kanilang mag-create ng success. Napakadali sa kanilang mga kumita na ng pera, napakadali na kumita ng pera. At yan ang ituturo namin sa inyo to change your mindset. And then the best part in fixing your present is this. I want to help you guys to increase your psychological wallet, to expand your capacity for wealth. Uulitin ko, even if you want to make the millions, but if your psychological wallet is only worth thousands, hanggang thousands ka lang. In order for you to understand what I'm trying to say, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, before I continue with this, am I making sense to you right now? Type make sense. Type make sense. If I make sense. If I don't make sense, hindi na natin dati tuloy ito. So right now, nakausap ko rin si Joseldo sa conversation namin sa interview. And we talked about millions. Because the one that I'm talking to is a billionaire. And I asked him, how hard was it for you to make your first million? At ito yung sagot niya. Let's watch this. Totoo ba yung kasabihan, the first million is the hardest,
Correct ka dyan.
but the next ones,
Madali na.
papaliwanag,
Tuloy-tuloy na.
paliwanag mo nga bakit.
Yun ang sinasabi ni Henry C.
Oh.
It's so hard to go up the hump.
Uh-huh.
But once you go down, you roll eh. Gumugulong ka na eh. Ang bilis na eh. So the next hardest is the first 100 million.
Yes, tama ka. Yung
Oh.
next na mahirap, yung 100.
Another level yan.
Oo, pagkatapos ng next na 100.
1B.
Grabe. Nakakatindig balahibo to, ah. It makes a lot of sense. Totoo yan, ha? Which I wrote from a book. I wrote a book called How I Made My First Million. Sinulat ko yan, eh. Sinulat ko. Tagal na. Bago ko pa na-meet to si ano. Sinabi ko, the first million is the hardest, but the next ones is easy. Yung susunod, madali na. Pero hindi ko na-realize yung sinabi niya. Ngayon, nung nakausap ko, si Joseldo, alam mo yung pinakamahirap next? Yung first 10 million. Pag tinamaan mo yung first 10 million, yung susunod, madali na. Ang pinakamahirap na next na tamaan is the first 100 million. Pag tinamaan mo, madali na. Ang pinakamahirap, maniwala ka, is the first 100 million. The next one is the first billion. Pero pag tinamaan mo yung first B mo, first B, maniwala ka, madali na. Grabe to. Pero alam mo yung pinakamatindi? Guys, nandito ba kayo? Are you still here? Nagsisi ba kayo na nagtiyaga kayo na hinintay nyo maayos tong internet na ito? Nagsisisi ba kayo? Type no kung hindi kayo nagsisisi. Ito yung pinakamatindi, guys. Rigel, Delia, Judy, Mary Grace. Nako, ito yung pinakamatindi. Ano ang difference ng 100,000 pesos? O 10,000 na lang. Ano yung difference po ng 10,000 pesos sa 100,000 pesos? Sige nga, pakitype. Anong diferensya? Talk to me. Zero. Ano yung difference ng 100,000 sa million? Isang zero. Ano yung difference ng 1 million sa 10 million? Isang zero. Ano yung difference ng 100 million sa 1 billion? Isang zero. Isa. Sa 10,000 to 100,000, probably sabihin mo madali yan. Bakit? Kasi tinamaan mo na eh. Sa 100,000 to 1 million, sasabihin mo, mahirap pa yan. Kasi hindi mo pa tinatamaan. Pero oras, Rog, Noel, Susan, tinamaan mo yung first million mo, madali na. Agree? Ang next na goal mo is 10 million. Ang difference lang yan, in reality, is a zero. Pag tinamaan mo yung first 10 million, madali na. Ang next na goal mo is 100 million. Pag tinamaan mo, madali na. Ang tanong, paano mo gagawin yan? At yan ang pag-uusapan natin in the next 2 days. 2 days. Sino sa inyo? Ako, Rachel, no offense, Meta. Manifest ka ng manifest, walang mangyayari sa manifesting. Manifesting is also declaration of the outside. Hindi siya na-fix yung inside. Oh, I want to be rich. I want to be rich. Money. I attract money. I attract money. Wala yan. Ang mangyayari, pag hindi na ayos yung loob mo, wala yan. Kahit anong declaration mo, kahit anong positive thinking mo, wala yan. Maniwala ka. So ito, sino sa inyo ang gusto na talagang mag-join with my 2 days life-changing session? Type me. Type me. Walang pilitan to ha. Kung hindi ka pa kayo ready, wag na. Last, number 3. Past, present, future. Fix the past. Di ba? We got to heal your past, fix your present. Number 3, grow. Everybody say grow. Ang goal natin is to grow your future. And then, FYI, how can we grow our future? I will teach you a special method. Itong method that we are doing in PYL. Pero ito, special session to for you guys. I'm gonna teach you talaga 4 things. Number 1, chip. Everybody say chip. Itong chip na ito, create, handle, invest, and protect. Ulitin ko. Create. Let's start with the word create. I'm gonna teach you how to increase your income and how to leverage your present strength for financial success. The single most wasteful thing that you can do is focus on your weakness rather than on your strength. So sa session na ito, aalamin natin kung anong strength mo, anong pwede mong gawin para ikaw ay kumita ng pera. Whether you admit it or not, lahat tayo may talent. Bakit? Because God has given you and me the ability to produce wealth. Agree or disagree? Ang kailangan lang natin ma-discover natin kung ano ability natin. That's number 1. So ngayon, after you create, the next thing that I'm going to teach you in order for you to grow your future is to handle. Kahit magaling ka mag-create ng pera, but poor ka sa handle ng imong kwarta, ang imong ganansya, ubos pa rin yan. Let us help. I want to help you to improve your financial habits. This is where the part I will teach you how to save, how to budget, how to get out of debt if you are in debt. Maganda siya? Yes or no? Sino sa inyo kailangan ng tulong on this aspect? Type me sa comment section. Type me. And third, the third part, okay, kahit magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle, but if you fail to do, invest. If you fail to learn how to invest, sorry, wala tayong pag-uusapan. Bakit? Reality is this. The moment you stop working, you stop earning, but you don't stop spending. The moment you stop working, walang perang pumapasok, walang cash flow, kung ano man ang nandyan, ubos pa rin. Kaya nga, in this session, I'm going to teach you how to do what smart investment strategies to allow money to work for you instead of you working for money. I want to help you to create a money-making machine. Kahit tulog ka, kumikita ka. And ang kagandahan dito, safe. Ang kagandahan dito, wala akong i-endorse na company, wala akong i-endorse ng product. Ang ituturo ko sa iyo, system. Ilabas nyo nga ako sa screen, please. To prove the system works. To prove that system works. What's 2 times 2? Talk to me. Come on, help me. 2 times 2. 4. 4 times 2. 8. 8 times 2. 16. Ba't pare-pareho ang sagot natin? Despite of our educational background, Despite of our money in the bank, it doesn't really matter as long as you know the system of multiplication, you get the same answer and result. So what am I trying to say? If you know the system of the rich, you follow the system of the rich, you will get the same answer and result. And that is what I'm going to teach in the 2-day session. I'm going to teach you and reveal to you kung ano yung sistema na ginagawa ko personally at natutunan ko sa mga mentors ko para makapag-invest ka. Para pagdating ng panahon, wala ka nang puproblemahin sa pera. Gusto nyo ba yon? Type gusto if you want that. Type gusto sa comment section. And then the fourth thing that I'm going to teach you and share with you in rebuilding your future, growing your future, is P, protect. Bakit mahalaga yung protect? Ito yung reality. Kahit na magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle, mag-invest ng pera, but if you fail to protect, ubos pa rin siya. Ano ibig sabihin ubos pa rin siya? May kakilala kayo nagka-COVID noong 2020 na hospital. Magkano ang hospital bills? Type sa comment section. Magkano? Magkano ginastos? Millions or hundreds of thousands. Ano nangyari? Yung investment, since walang cash flow, forced to sell, emergency fund, ubos, back to zero. Back to zero. Nagigets nyo? Kaya nga itong session na ito, sobrang powerful to. I'm going to help you to create, handle, invest, and protect. Paglabas mo talaga, life-changing to. Paglabas mo, ayos na ayos to. Ang question ko right now, kung maganda tong sinishare ko sa inyo, again, heal your past, fix your present, grow your future. Maganda ba to o hindi? Type maganda kung sinasabi niyo maganda. Type maganda. So ano na lang kulang? Ang kulang, kayo. Ang tanong, game ka na ba? Sino sa inyo game na? Type game. So, let me introduce to you Financial Freedom Weekend.